Hi everyone, today I am going to teach you the determinants, which is a chapter of class 12, and it is very interesting chapter because it is asked frequently asked in the various competitive examination like the NDA, JE and the JE Advanced and so many examination. So I am going to introduce about the determinant. So what is the meaning of determinant and what is determinant? So what is the determinant? Determinant is a form of expressing the equation or the expression or the values. It is a short form of expressing the expression. Expression means the like the ax plus by plus c, like the large expression can be determined or in the small form. So how we understand the determinant? For this I am going to introduce today. So the determinant means this is the symbol on which the elements is written. This is the symbol of determinant. It is not the mod here. It is the symbol of determinant. So in this is the determinant of 2 by 2. That means one element, two element in the row. It is in the one rows and it is the second rows. The two element in the second rows and two element in the first row. And if you will see like this, then it becomes the column. In the first column you will see the two elements, and in the second column you will see the two elements. So the determinant is always written in the equal number of column and rows, like the 2 3 4 and 9 4 6 8 3 4. It is also a determinant which is a 3 by 3. As you are able to see that in the first rows we have the in the first row 3 element, in the second rows we have the 3 element, in the third row we have the 3 element, in the first column we have the 3 element, in the second column we have the 3 element, and in the third column we have the 3 element. So as you are able to see that number of element in the column first or any column or the row we have the equal. So it is a determinant of 3 by 3. Or the order of this determinant, order means the number of rows or the column, anything you will say. So as you are able to see that number of element in one rows we have the 3. So the order of this determinant becomes the 3. And what is the order of this determinant? That means the number of element in the either a row or either the column, anything you could consider, because both of them equals, because as you are able to see that. So the order of this becomes the 2. Order of this becomes the 2. And if I will ask you, if you will observe this is the 2 determinant. Let's suppose this is the first and this is the second. And as you are able to see that this is the 2 determinant. And let's suppose we have the 2, 3, 4 and the 6, 7, 1 and the 4, 6. Is this determinant? May you will say yes, but it is not a determinant, because as you are able to see that we have here the 3 element in the first row, the second row also we have 3 element, but in the third row we have only the 2 element. So here if someone is x, then it is the becomes the determinant, but when we haven't any type of x, then it is not a determinant. So I think you understand the meaning of determinant. And so order of determinants is number of element in a particular rows or particular column. So I think you also understand the meaning of order of determinant. And let's understand the element in the determinant, present in the determinant. So as you are able to see that 1 2 3 4, we have the 4 element in this determinant, which can be written as 2 by 2. And in this element 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, in this determinant you are able to see that number of element we have the 9, which can be written as 3 square. So as you are able to see that when you will observe this closely, then you are able to see that as we have to find the number of element in the determinant, we used to square the number of order. As you are able to see that order of this determinant is the 3, and we just square the order of the determinant and we get the number of element. In this also you are able to see that order is the 2, and we square the order, then we get the number of element. So as you could say that we have the, let's suppose another determinant 1 2 3 4 and 9 4 6 8 4 0 5 6 3 7 8 7 8 9, anything be you could write. In the next video I will tell you how to solve the determinant. So as you are able to see that the order of this determinant is the 4, and if you will count the number of element 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, the 16. So 16 can be written as 4 square, 4 square. So as you are able to see that order is the 4. So what we have just done here, the square, we have done the square of the order and then we get the number of element in a determinant. So if I will say let a determinant x in which we have the 10 element, order of this determinant be 10. So what is going to the number of element? So number of element is nothing but the square of the order. So square of the order, that means the 100 element is going to have in this determinant whose order is the 10. So I think you understand what is the meaning of order and the number of element, and these are the rows. I think you understand this basic thing, the rows, and this is the column. So I think you understand the rows, column, number of element. And next thing which I am going to tell you to just observe in this. So if you will draw a diagonal, let's suppose we draw here a diagonal. So as you are able to see that the number of element we have the 3 and the order of this determinant is the 3, and when you draw the diagonal, so just see how many elements used to cut or passes through this diagonal. So as you are able to see that first, second, third, only the 3 element is available on the diagonal. So as you are able to see that only the 3 element we have on the diagonal. And see how many element above the diagonals, these are above the diagonal. So above the diagonal we have also the 3 element, and below the diagonal we have also the 3 element. So above the diagonal and below the diagonal we have the 3 element and the 3 elements. If I will say that draw the diagonal in this one, so as you are able to see that order of this determinant is the 2 and the number of element is the 4, and when you see that when you draw the diagonal you get the number of element crossing through the diagonal is the 2. So as you able to observe that the order is equal to number of element on the diagonal. As you are able to see that in this we have the order 2, and we have also the element on the diagonal is 2. In this we have the order 3, and in this you are also able to see that the diagonal crossing to the element is number is the 3. So this thing, basic thing which you have to observe. On this basis I am going to derive a formula of a determinant. So let's suppose we have a determinant like this, and we have the element 1 2 3 4 and up to the n, and one again we have the 5 6 up to the n, and this is up to n. That means this is the infinity determinant. This is not going to stop. And if I will say the number of element in this determinant, what you will say? The number of element, as you are able to see that order of this determinant. So in this you are able to see that we have the 2 elements in a particular row, then we say that the 2, and in this you are able to see that in a particular row we have the n element. So the order of this determinant is the n, and what is the total number of element in this determinant? So in this case, as you observe that we used to square the order we get, so we get the order n. So n square is the total number of element, and what is the diagonal? The number of element on the diagonal. The number of element on the diagonal is also n, because the order of the determinant is equal to number of element on the diagonal. And if I will say, so I think you understand what is the determinant and how we have to get know about the determinant, how to solve the determinant. In the next video I am going to teach you the properties of the determinant and expanding of determinant. And thank you for today.